Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can control the horizontal and vertical alignment of the text in your table by using the text-align property to control the horizontal alignment, and the vertical-align property to control the vertical alignment. Text-align has the values of left, right, and center. The vertical align property has the values of top, bottom, and center. You can set the whole table to have the same alignment by setting the alignment values under the table element styling declaration. You can also control the table header and table data elements individually for more visual interest or readability. Our on-screen example shows our table, the border collapse property set to collapse, and a width of 50% of the browser window. Table header, and table data have a border of 2 pixels, solid and blue. The table header has the text align property set to center, and the vertical align property set to top with a height of 50 pixels. And our table data has the text align property set to right, the vertical align property set to bottom, and a cell height of 30 pixels. So the browser will display the table with the header centered at the top of the cell, and the table data cells right aligned, and the information vertically aligned to the bottom of the cell.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.